What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and today I have the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how to install the Whitestone Dome on this beautiful device. Alright, so I have everything laid out they provide from Whitestone Dome. I want to thank Whitestone Dome for sending us over, being part of this video, sponsoring this video. I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up. I highly recommend a good screen protector, and Whitestone Dome is one of the best for curved displays like the S22 Ultra. So you want to put something good quality, so I do recommend them. Now they lay it out perfectly for you. They give you everything in the package, the tempered glass, the jig or the guide here so that you can easily set it up, all the tools that you need. So we're going to go ahead and start out. The first thing you want to do is you want to power off your device. Make sure you're on a level table, wash your hands, all that good stuff. So we'll go ahead and power that bad boy off. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to take these little tapes here, and what you do is you put them on all four sides of the device so that no glue gets inside. All right, once you put the stickers on the top, bottom, and on the sides, you can go ahead and grab your alcohol wipe and wipe down your device so you can take off all the dust, any kind of dirt, anything. Then you want to grab your microfiber cloth, dry it off. Next thing you want to do is grab these sponges and put them inside the side of your guide here so that you don't get any glue on the sides of your device. And one goes on each side very simply like this. Then you want to place your device inside the guide, and it snaps into place real simple like so. So you have no issues, and you know that that's the top because it says speaker S22 Ultra. So you're good to go. Put that in there. Then you take your dust removal sticker here, and you want to make sure that you get any dust that might have got in there while you were placing in the device. Make sure everything's good. You can wipe it again if you want with the alcohol and dry it off again if you want. Make sure it's secure. Like, see, it just came out a little bit, so you got to make sure that your device is in there solid. And remember, be on a level surface. All right, you want to grab this little sticker, and this is for the speaker here at the top, and that simply goes right in there like that. And then this little piece here goes at the top, secures the sticker label. Also, you will need that later to pull out your tab. This is the tab that you're going to put here at the top for your glass. Then you're going to grab your little bridge here, place it down right there. Then you want to grab your glue, unscrew the pink top, put it inside the bridge. You can screw it in. Then you want to unscrew the bottom here. And then you're going to want to let that run out for a good 30 seconds. Grab your screen protector. Pull off the back. Go ahead and place it here. Let it fall onto that little tab. And you're going to place this guide here. This is so you know where to roll the glue. You want the glue to go to that plus symbol. So you simply just tilt down here. Mine's a little bit to the side here, so I had to tilt a little bit. And then you simply just let go of the tab. And then you're just gonna let that run out for a good couple minutes, because you wanna make sure that the glue goes from top to bottom, completely covers it. All right, the next thing that you wanna do after the glue goes, you wanna go ahead and remove this guide here. Take that out. And then you wanna take your ultraviolet light here, make sure it's on. And you want to do 15 seconds on the bottom, middle, and top. All right, once you did the ultraviolet light, you're going to go ahead and pop out the device and remove the speaker cover there, the top. Then you're going to take your swab, you're going to wipe all the way around the device in one direction to make sure that you have everything off. And then you want to remove these glue protectors off the sides and top and bottom of your device. All right, so the next thing you want to do is you want to put 60 seconds on the top and bottom twice. So 120 seconds for the top, 120 seconds for the bottom. So you double click the light, do 60 on the bottom, 60 on the top, and then do it again. All right, after you've done the ultraviolet light twice, you go ahead and give it another good wipe down and make sure all the glue is gone. Then we're going to turn it on and register our fingerprint reader again. All right, so now we're going to try the fingerprint reader to see if it works. This is one that I put on here before I installed it. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to re-register our fingerprint reader. I'm going to go in here, go to fingerprint, put in my pen, and then we're going to add a fingerprint. Going to go here. And then you just want to reset it. Now you're done. You want to go out. The other thing that you want to do is you want to go into settings, display, and turn on touch sensitivity right there. So now when you do your fingerprint reader, you should be good to go. Boom. Just like new, you ain't got to worry about it. But that's going to do it, man. Thanks so much for watching. Android Stud here, how to install the Whitestone Dome on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Looks like a pretty good install, if you ask me. Clean as, yeah, clean. All right, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that notification bell so you know when videos like this are coming. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can pick up the Whitestone Dome. It looks great. This is the one screen protector that's going to stay on your device and protect it from any kind of like collisions, scratches, things like that. Thanks so much. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Peace.